Most older adults make one simple mistake at night without even realizing it. They go to bed thinking their leg cramps, their muscle loss, and their growing weakness are just a normal part of aging. They assume their legs are supposed to give out, that the tightness is just something they need to accept, and that nothing can be done unless they return to long hours of heavy exercise. The truth is surprising. It is the way their nightly routine quietly drains their muscles of the nutrients they need most. Many older adults struggle to climb stairs, to get out of chairs, or even to feel steady on their feet in the morning. These difficulties feel small at first, but they slowly shape the way a person moves through their day, adding stress and fear that did not exist before. When you understand what is actually happening inside your body, the picture becomes clearer and far less hopeless.
The issue is not simply age. It is the nightly cycle of magnesium loss, electrolyte imbalance, and nerve irritation that builds up gradually and makes your muscles weaker over time.
Here is the part that most people never hear. You can improve this problem without lifting heavy weights or doing painful workouts. You can strengthen your legs while you sleep. And the key is choosing the right foods before bed. This video will walk you through 4 gentle bedtime foods that support leg strength and reduce nighttime leg cramps, explaining exactly why they work and how you can use them at home. By the end, you will understand not only what to eat, but also how these small choices can restore confidence in your body and help you move through life with more ease. Before we begin, I want to hear from you. Have you been experiencing leg cramps at night or feeling your legs getting weaker? Have you tried anything so far to improve it? Share your experience in the comments so others can learn from you. The first food may seem simple, but its impact is real. Almonds are among the most reliable sources of magnesium, and magnesium is one of the minerals your muscles depend on the most. Many older adults do not realize that nighttime leg cramps are closely tied to something called intracellular magnesium deficiency. When this mineral is low inside the muscle cells, the nerves that control your muscles become irritated and fire too much. This makes your legs tighten and cramp, often waking you up with sudden pain. Almonds contain about 75 to 80 milligrams of magnesium in a small handful of 20 to 25 grams, giving your muscles exactly what they need to relax before bedtime. If your muscles often feel tight in the evening, or if you wake up with toes curling or calves grabbing, this gentle food can calm that tension. Eating a small handful after dinner or about 1 hour before bed gives your body time to absorb the magnesium and bring your muscles into a more peaceful state. People often describe feeling a sense of warmth or ease in their legs as the night progresses, and that feeling becomes a reminder that their body is finally being supported instead of stressed. The second food is pumpkin seeds, sometimes called roasted pumpkin kernels. These seeds contain some of the highest levels of magnesium found in any everyday food. A small serving of 20 to 25 grams provides 110 to 140 milligrams of magnesium, which is enough to prevent many nighttime cramps when taken regularly. Older adults who often experience jolting pains at night or a sudden tightening that feels like the muscle is being pulled from both ends can benefit from this. The reason pumpkin seeds work so well is their ability to restore balance to 4 essential minerals: sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. When these minerals are balanced, your nerves speak to your muscles in a clear, steady way, preventing the overexcited signals that cause cramps. Eating the seeds 1 hour before sleep gives your muscles the raw materials they need to stay relaxed throughout the night. Many people find that this reduces not only cramps, but also the feeling of restlessness or heaviness that can make it difficult to fall asleep. As your muscles grow more stable, your confidence grows as well. You begin to trust your legs again. The third food is kale, a leafy green that may not look like much, but carries an impressive amount of magnesium while being light and gentle on the stomach. Kale contains about 47 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. But because it is light and easy to eat, many people can enjoy 2 to 300 grams in a dinner portion. This means you can comfortably take in 100 to 140 milligrams of magnesium in a single evening meal. Kale also carries antioxidants and vitamins that support nerve health, making it easier for your body to coordinate movement, balance, and muscle relaxation. Having kale during dinner, either in a warm sauté or a soft salad, gives your body time to reach peak magnesium levels by nighttime. This means your legs get support exactly when they need it most. People who often feel their legs shaking when standing up or who find themselves gripping railings tightly when walking might find this food particularly helpful. Over time, it helps restore steadiness and reduces that uncomfortable feeling of wobbling or instability. The fourth bedtime food is oatmeal, a comforting bowl that many older adults already enjoy. But what most people don't know is how powerful oatmeal can be for nighttime muscle support. Oatmeal carries 177 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams of dry oats, meaning a warm bowl made from 40 to 50 grams gives you 70 to 90 milligrams of magnesium in a single serving. When eaten in the evening, oatmeal helps maintain stable magnesium levels throughout the night. This is important because magnesium is used constantly by the muscles, especially while your body is repairing tissue during sleep. Having oatmeal before bed helps reduce nighttime twitching, improves rest, and helps you wake up without that stiff, heavy feeling that many people describe. Oatmeal also helps regulate blood sugar, which can prevent the sudden drops that sometimes trigger nighttime leg discomfort. For many people, this simple bedtime bowl becomes a nightly ritual that signals comfort, warmth, and relaxation. These four foods may seem simple, but together they form a strong foundation for muscle health during the night. They reduce irritation in the nerves, relax the muscles, and restore the minerals your legs depend on. Almonds help calm tight muscles. Pumpkin seeds restore essential minerals. Kale supports nerve function and evening magnesium levels. Oatmeal keeps your body steady through the night. None of these require hard workouts or painful routines. They simply require small, consistent choices that support your muscles with nourishment instead of stress. Many older adults feel discouraged when their legs weaken. They worry about losing independence, about walking less, or about becoming more dependent on others. But change does not have to be dramatic to be powerful. Even one small shift in your nightly routine can make your mornings calmer and your steps stronger. You have the ability to rebuild your strength gently, without forcing your body into uncomfortable exercises or punishing routines. Your muscles respond to care, to nourishment, and to small daily habits that slowly restore what time has taken away. As we close this video, I want to remind you of the hope behind each bite of these foods. Each one offers your body a chance to rest deeply and rebuild naturally. You can start with just one change this week. Try adding a handful of almonds at night, or a warm bowl of oatmeal, or a serving of kale with dinner. You will not only be feeding your muscles, you will be feeding the confidence that your body can still grow stronger. If you stay consistent, your legs will thank you in the morning. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments so others can draw strength from your journey. When we share our experiences, we help one another move towards healthier, more independent lives.